Our next topic is modeling errors. Model errors resulting from incomplete mathematical models when some latent defects are not taken into account or ignored. Mathematical models are the basis for numerical solutions. They are formulated to represent physical process using certain parameters involved in the situations. In many situations, it is impractical or impossible to include all of the real problems, and therefore certain simplified assumptions are made. For example, while developing a model for calculating force acting on a falling body, we may not be able to estimate their resistance coefficient and determine the direction and magnitude of the wind force acting on the body, and so on. To simplify the model, we may assume that force due to air resistance is linearly proportional to the velocity of falling body, or we may assume that there is no wind force acting on the body. All such assumptions and simplifications certainly result in error in the output of such model, since model is a basic input to the numerical process. No numerical method will provide adequate result if the model is by mistake conceived and formulated. It is obvious that we can reduce this type of errors by retaining or enlarging the models by incorporating more features, but enhancement may take a model more difficult to solve. Next, we will see total numerical error. The total numerical error is the summation of truncation error and round-off error. The truncation error generally increases as the step size increases, while round-off error generally decreases as the step size increases. Assuming that the mathematical model has been properly formulated and the input data are accurate. The total numerical error primarily consists of two errors, that is, two components. First, truncation error, and second, round-off error. Any efforts to minimize the total numerical error should therefore be concentrated on the way to reduce and minimize these two types of errors, that is, truncation error and the round-off error. The steps may include: first, increasing the significant figures or digits of the computer. Second, minimizing the number of arithmetic operations. Third, avoiding subtractive calculations. And fourth, choosing proper initial parameters. Next, we will see what is blunder. Blunders are the errors that are caused by malfunctions of a computer or human imperfection. Blunders may cause very serious disasters in the result. Human errors can occur at any stage of numerical processing. Some common types of errors are as follows. First, lack of understanding of the problem. Second, wrong assumptions. Third, errors in the deriving mathematical equations. Fourth, selecting wrong numerical method. Making mistakes in computer programs, that is fifth. Sixth, mistakes in data input. And last but not least, seventh, wrong guessings of initial values. All these mistakes can be avoided through a reasonable understanding of a problem, numerical solution methods, and use of good programming techniques and tools. Next, what is data uncertainty? Errors resulting from the accuracy or precision of a data when with imprecise instructions and instruments, overestimation or underestimation. Thank you.